Cantemo up here, wearing matching jerseys like a hockey team. With a round of applause. Jump right up, gentlemen. Grab the mics. There you go. Sit on down, right there. Now, of course, it's all eyes on the E7, which you got in your hand right there, and it's been a huge hit already before you came, and of course now through the tech ed. And I just want to go through this beautiful device. What's it all about? Take us through it, guys.
Alrighty, hey, I can actually start. So, Teemu, you can play it around. Yeah. So, while I'm talking to Mike. So here we have a main screen for the device. So there's actually 3 different screens what you can customize. And for here, of course, when we are talking about the tech ed with the Microsoft, so we have joined this alliance with the Microsoft, calling for the business solutions and talking about then, of course, the Office Communicator. Some of you guys have been probably on the stand over there in the Nokia stand, and but of course the key thing is the Office Communicator and using the chat solution, and the big corporates have the backend already installed and have the Exchange stuff and that kind of thing. So
I'm just guessing you guys are sort of chatting with each other. So who's Susan and who's Samuel?
Yeah, hey.
Yeah, I'm the cross-dresser.
Oh, okay, that's all good. Okay, yeah. Carry on.
Yeah, so this is actually working to mobile, but also to mobile to PC. So it doesn't matter. So let's say you guys are traveling all in this week over here in Berlin, but your colleagues are stuck in the office. Let's say in a home country, what might be in boring, sunny, or whatever countries, but anyhow. So you can actually quickly check something on the guys in the office. Oh, hey, I'm here in a meeting with the guys. Can you quickly check this for me? So just put the chat to the guys, and then going to go to mail for Exchange, and actually showing. So okay, it's a cool thing that you can get with the HTML out, so you can get straight the HTML view for the email. So actually very readable format. But over here we have also the pinch and zoom support, and of course, yeah, that is text. So then going a bit kind of on the up, pinch out the zoom. So here is one cool feature also, that it shows a bit data. It doesn't load the whole email at once, so it's showing the image, so it kind of leaves half of the data kind of out. So one cool thing also.
Quick browsing, right?
Yeah.
So it's effective.
Yeah, because it saves the data cost a bit for users. Yeah. And then, right. Hey. So one cool thing is it's not all about the business stuff always. So what cool things are also in the E-series device, I think first times is that we have a powerful entertainment features, and also the guys, probably you guys are. So as you can see, it's a pretty powerful entertainment device also. The music players are very powerful, so these are cool features, the business and the personal usage, and also while you guys are traveling. I think
so it's the whole package. Can you take us through more of the software? What new features? What can you do with this?
Right. Hey, actually, if you can actually open the PowerPoint. So
running already.
Oh, you have running already. So when you are traveling, you can actually leave a laptop back in the office in some cases.
Nice.
So you can actually show the PowerPoint presentation to the
So people, we're doing a 25-minute PowerPoint presentation right here, and then we'll take please take some notes. Now we're just
take a seat, get a beer. No.
We're messing with
But this is actually kind of cool thing that this not so many manufacturers have the HTML output, so you can play the PowerPoint and do some presentation, and also it's kind of cool thing. So and also I think the guys over here showing some more cool things, but just kind of gives you an idea what you can do already with the mobile device with the E7.
Yeah, maybe one cool feature is obviously USB on the go. So you saw the fine presentation, and after the presentation, obviously, the question comes from the audience.
Hey, can I get a copy of the PowerPoint?
Certainly.
This was not rehearsed, ladies and gentlemen. This was not rehearsed.
No.
Okay, so hold on. We just saw the okay.
I can actually do it.
You can hold that, and USB on the go.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just get the cable, plug a normal USB mass storage to it, plug it to the device, and the device automatically detects that there's a mass storage, and it'll launch the file manager application for you, so that you are able to access the store and put stuff on your mobile on the store. So here you have now the mass memory, so we can come back in there, and now I can see the USB stick there. So I can take anything out from the device, like from the mass storage. And here is the presentation. So I can actually long press the presentation, and in there I can copy it to a folder. So now I have this new USB stick here and copy it into the root folder. And there it goes. And now I give the lady a copy of my presentation.
Sweet.
And I think we also broke the Guinness record for most cables attached to a mobile device. So hands up.
But this is actually quite a revolution. This is really nice, because I remember always people come into the office and try to pitch in TV shows, and they open their PC, and it takes like 20 minutes when they get it going. Is one of those like old school that they've done in the 80s or something. And always these sales guys, they have to tell some jokes because it's pretty awkward. They're waiting for the computer to launch up and get the whole thing done. But this all happened in seconds.
Yeah. If you compare it to the scenario that kind of you want to get the presentation as Toria did. So what does she need to do? So she needs to get her computer up, put it, log it in, and then get the USB stick from me, plug it in, wait for the zillion drivers to get installed, and then at the kind of how many minutes he gets to actually copy the file.
Too many minutes.
Yeah.
Well, is it true that you can actually also, it's not only a mass storage, you can also use the files on that USB stick?
Yeah, certainly. So we can give a demo on that as well. So let's go to the mass storage once more.
This is usually the part when someone has had some weird video of their family in the USB, and now it's shown to everybody.
Change the demo immediately.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can go to the screens and go in any of the folders, and here we have a cool video.
Ah, sweet.
So if you know this, we have a nice video going on here. So you can actually get a 720p, so HD ready resolution video out of the box from the device. So you don't kind of, and if you're not happy with something that you get from your friend's USB stick, you can always be the kind of Steven Spielberg and kind of shoot your own movies with the 8 megapixel camera.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Let's go through some of the software and more of the functions, because you mentioned the HDMI, it's running on Symbian. Okay, yeah, plug and play.
Change the device.
Change the device, now we get into your personal folders over here.
Yeah,
Let's try them out.
Let's see how you two can cross stresses.
Thank God it's only like 8 p.m. so no.
Yeah, I know.
No
My
booty,
wife is not going to be happy, maybe the general in the audience.
no booty call SMSs are going to show up during this.
I can show you a couple of things. So, as Samuel said, it's a device that is mainly for business use. But you guys, everybody's seen this. I think at some point in time, I think the Apple guys, Android guys are claiming that this is their own, but this is ours, baby. Ours. So Rovio guys made it for us initially. So I can play around. I can use multi-touch on this baby and play a couple of games between the meetings. Maybe skip a session on the Exchange server tomorrow and maybe have a couple of runs of Angry Birds. Okay, that's Angry Birds. Also something that most of you guys I think probably are familiar with, but it's Nokia Maps, but we have a new version of it available for Symbian 3. So I can browse around, and as you know, we have free navigation. So walk and drive navigation is free for Nokia, and also we have pre-installed maps, so you don't have to download anything. So I think it's pretty cool. So if you have other options for maps, you probably need to download stuff, but for Nokia you don't.
And we're definitely going to get into maps a little later here as well.
Exactly. So maybe the guys, they want to show you around Berlin on the maps part, but just a reminder on that E-Series and E7 is not only about business, but it's a complete package for navigation, apps, and games. So thanks a lot.
Thank you guys, and of course, if you got more questions, we could chat all night about the E7, and I'm probably gonna get to it. We're gonna leave some phones so you can try out. But you know, chat up, come up to these guys, and if you have some more questions, shoot them away. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Give a round of applause.